Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to create a new note on Messenger, updated with the latest version of the app. Whether you want to share quick thoughts, reminders, or fun ideas with your friends, notes make it easier than ever to stay connected. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in and ready to go. Once the app is open, you'll notice different icons on the main screen. Look toward the top corner of your screen for the pencil icon. This is usually known for starting a new chat, but now it also gives you the option to create a new note. Go ahead and tap that pencil icon. After tapping, you'll see a menu appear with different choices. From those options, select New Note. This is the starting point for writing something you'd like to share with your friends or selected contacts. Notes can be casual or important. It's completely up to you. Once you're inside the note editor, it's time to type your message. Think of it as a mini announcement, something personal, or just a thought you want to share with others. Notes are best kept short and clear so they can be easily read at a glance. Take a moment to write down what's on your mind. When you're happy with your note, the last step is to share it. Simply tap on Share, and your note will instantly be visible to your friends. They'll be able to see it for a limited time, so it's a great way to send something spontaneous or keep everyone updated quickly. That's it. In just a few taps, you've created and shared a new note on Messenger. This feature is perfect for sending quick updates without starting a full conversation, and it's a great way to let people know what's on your mind. So the next time you open Messenger, remember these 3 easy steps. Open the app, tap the pencil icon, and choose New Note. Type your message, and then share. Simple, quick, and fun.